Storyteller, storyteller, tell us another story. One spring day, Mother and Father Bird had been looking out over the land. "Oh," said Mother Bird, "do you smell that?" "Oh, yes," said Father Bird, "that is the smell of all the leaves and the flowers blooming. Spring has come and warm days are ahead." "Yes," said Mama Bird, "now is the perfect time to make our nest." "Shall I go find some things to build our nest, Mama Bird?" asked Daddy Bird. "Oh, yes, dear, that would be lovely." And so he went flying about. He gathered some sticks from nearby and some moss. With a peck and a pull, his beak was full. They were doing their best to build a nest. With a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. Now Mama Bird sat upon her nest. "How is it?" said Father Bird. "Oh, it's quite nice, but I do believe it needs a little something else." "I know just where to go," said Father Bird. And so he flew down to Old Gray Horse. And he said, "Dear Mr. Horse, may I have some of your hay, for Mama Bird and I are building our nest?" "Of course," said the horse. "Use all that you need." And so, with a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. With a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. "How is that, Mama Bird?" "Oh, it feels quite right," she said. "But I feel like it might need a little bit of some feathers." "I know just where to go," said Father Bird. And off he flew, down to Mama Duck. "Mama Duck, may I borrow some of your soft feathers for building our nest? Mama Bird and I are getting started on our nest." "Why, yes," said Mama Duck. "There's some right over there that I left behind. You may take all that you need." So, with a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. With a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. Oh, Mama Bird cozied down into her nest. "How is it?" said Daddy Bird. "Oh," she said, "it is getting so nice and strong. I do believe we need a little bit of wool to keep our eggs so soft and warm." "Ah, say no more," said Daddy Bird. "I will go get some." And so he flew down to Mama Sheep, who was nibbling some grass. "Mama Sheep, may I please have some of your soft wool?" "Ah, yes," said Mama Sheep. "There's some caught over there on the fence. You may help yourself." "Thank you, Mama Sheep," he said. So, with a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. With a peck and a pull, their beaks cozied on in. Ah, it's looking very good, said Daddy Bird. I think there is one last thing that we need, and I know just where to go. Oh, thank you, Daddy Bird, said Mama Bird. And he flew down to Mama Rabbit in her cozy little den. She had been shedding so much to make a cozy spot for her little ones, who were just beginning to crawl out and bounce around. Mama Rabbit, he said, may I please have some of your soft, soft fur for my nest? Mama Bird and I are making our nest for our eggs. Oh, certainly, said the Mama Rabbit. Take all that you need. So, with a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. With a peck and a pull, their beaks were full. They were doing their best to build a nest. Ah, said Mama Bird, it truly is the best nest. And so the two of them sat together, singing their sweet songs over the springtime land. And I do believe that very soon a few speckled eggs will appear in their nest. Storyteller, thank you for the story.